Alright, so I'm going to talk about the Britool Hallmark 3/8 inch drive MR280. This is the 3/8 one to the 1/4 inch SR180, was it, we looked at previously. I picked this up from primetools.co.uk. It's a bit of a plug for them there, because it's on there on the sticker, so you might as well have a look at it. Open. Take it out of the packet. You can see this is an extra long one. I did make sure that when I was buying the Britool that, you know, it had another use as well, so it was going to be my long version ratchets. They're about, it's about it's about 295 millimeters long. You can see that it's got, looks like Torx or star screws to get in, open up and get into the mechanism. Take a look at the drive itself there. Obviously you've got the quick release. .72 teeth again. You can see, just like the 1/4 inch, the switch does make a slight movement when the mechanism's going around, both ways of course. Again, you've got the Britool Hallmark logo there, which is like a nut with the B logo inside. Again, you've got it there with their the Mark of Skill logo or slogan on there. We'll look at the handle. It's obviously chrome vanadium. Again, there's no indication of where this is being made actually on the ratchet. I can have another look at the where I bought it from. There might be some information on there. See the MR280 stamp. The 3/8 drive socket here. Have a little 75. These are from a little draper set that I do a little review on as well. To come. So it holds the again, this doesn't have any indents in it, but it's still will come out. Obviously there's no indent, so it will come out with a bit of a pull, but you know, it still holds fairly well. And a little 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter that is indented. Torx bit on there. Yep, so you can't force it on there without really pressing the button anyway, so all in all, another nice Britool Hallmark ratchet, extra long, to go with the extra long 1/4 inch that I picked up. So some high quality ratchets there to make sure you've always got the backup, but I'll make sure that they've got some kind of extra use, so these will be extra long for when I need an extra long ratchet as well. So the Britool Hallmark MR280 3/8 inch drive extra long ratchet. If we just take a look at the Britool Hallmark 3/8 extra long MR 280 with the macro, so we can have a close-up look at that. See the Torx screws in there, and you got the Britool logo, and the Britool, the mark of skill slogan on there with the logo next to the little logo. And the handle. The switch. Okay.